In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Samsung Pay not working. Now, there's multiple different reasons why this could be happening, and in this video, we take a look at the most common causes and solutions. So the first thing that you always want to do is you want to check compatibility. Make sure that your phone supports Samsung Pay, and make sure that it is available in your country. If you're watching this in a different country, then it may not have access to Samsung Pay, so just keep that in mind. Make sure that the store's terminal supports NFC or MST if your phone has it. Also, it's a really good idea to check your internet connection because Samsung Pay relies on Wi-Fi or mobile data for setup and verification. So if Wi-Fi is not working, try to use mobile data and then see between the two which one does perform better. Now, another thing that you guys need to do is you need to make sure that the card that is actually connected to your Samsung Pay account is actually working and activated. So let's say you recently got a new debit card or something like that and your old one is still on there, then it is not going to work. You're going to go ahead and need to change it. And what you need to do is you need to go ahead and press on this plus button right over here, then select on payment cards, and then you can go ahead and select on add credit or debit card, and then you need to go ahead and type in your credit card, and it's actually going to open up your camera so that you're able to take a picture of your card. So just make sure that the card that you're actually using is working and that it is up to date. So you may need to go ahead and add another card. You may need to add another card and then afterwards see if it does work. Now, next up, we have a more advanced tip, and that is to actually take a look at any other apps that could be interfering with Samsung Pay. So if you have any other apps out there that also use your card in order to scan and stuff like that, then that could be an issue and you only want to have one type of those apps. So I only have Samsung Pay right over here, so it does work. But if I were to have like a bunch of other apps similar to Samsung Pay, then that could actually cause issues and then cause Samsung Pay not to work. And another reason why this issue could be happening is due to your battery optimization settings. So to do that, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and select on your settings just like so. Go to the search bar, then look up battery, select on battery, and then afterwards what you want to do is you want to go ahead and turn off battery protection and power saving, because if those are turned on, that could actually prevent Samsung Pay from doing its necessary functions and it could cause it not to work, especially if your device is on low battery. So obviously you want to go ahead and give this a shot and see if it does fix the issue. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.